Are you looking for the best portable tire inflators and air compressors of 2025? In today's video, we'll break down the top models to keep your tires in check on the go. Stay tuned to see which one stands out as the ultimate must-have. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Avid Power Tire Inflator Air Compressor. It stands out with its power drill-like design, featuring a large battery pack in the grip's base that allows it to stand upright. This hands-free convenience makes it easy to connect the long air hose and nozzle to your tire. Lightweight, well-balanced, and ergonomic, the Avid is easy to use, even in hard-to-reach places. Its backlit digital display remains clear in both daylight and low-light conditions. In testing, the Avid inflated a tire from 25 psi to 35 psi in just over a minute, making it the third fastest inflator we tried. It also delivered highly accurate PSI readings with an error rate of just 1 psi. The auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation, and the battery pack doubles as a USB charger. However, at 89.5 decibels, it's the loudest inflator we tested. Number 2. DeWalt DCC020IB. It looks like a mini boombox, but delivers serious inflation power. Its LED-lit digital display ensures easy reading in any lighting, and setting your desired PSI is as simple as twisting a dial. It's versatile too, perfect for tires, air mattresses, sports gear, and pool floats with its included adapters. However, the battery isn't included, so you'll need to buy a lithium-ion pack separately or use the included DC vehicle adapter. While the display is bright, it lacks a built-in work light, which is disappointing for nighttime use. Though compact, it's not ideal for smaller cars due to its bulk. It's best suited for larger vehicles or home garages. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use inflator, this one delivers, but factor in the extra cost for the battery. Number 3. EPAuto AT-010-1Z. This is one of the smallest and quietest inflators we tested. It took nearly 2 minutes to inflate a tire, which is a bit slow compared to others. However, once it reaches the desired pressure, the compressor automatically shuts off, preventing overinflation and letting you focus on other tasks. We were impressed by its simple yet effective cable management system and the fact that the compact, sturdy design allows it to survive being tossed in the trunk without taking up much space or getting damaged. It's a solid, space-efficient option for anyone who needs a reliable inflator on the go. Number 4. Black & Decker BDINF20C. This cordless tire inflator can be powered by a rechargeable battery pack, though you'll need to purchase it separately. Luckily, the included AC and DC cables let you power it from a 12V outlet or a wall socket. We were disappointed that it lacks a built-in work light, which would be useful for nighttime tire inflation. Like the DeWalt DCC020IB, its larger size makes it better suited for home use or vehicles with ample storage space. Despite these drawbacks, the 20-volt max quickly added 10 psi to a tire in under a minute. It also stood out for having the best cable and hose management of all the inflators we tested. Number 5. AirHawk Pro. This portable air inflator, like our best overall pick, resembles a cordless drill, but unfortunately, it doesn't offer the same utility. While it comes with a rechargeable battery, it lacks a DC cable, meaning if the battery dies and you're stranded, you're out of luck. The user interface was another letdown. Although the display is bright, it's quite small, and the buttons are so tiny that they could be tricky for some to use. On the plus side, the AirHawk Pro allows you to set your desired PSI, and it automatically shuts off once reached. During testing, it added 10 psi to a tire in just over a minute. However, The short air hose is a major drawback. It can't reach the ground if the tire nozzle is positioned at 12 o'clock. You'll have to hold it or let it hang, which isn't ideal. So, which is the best? After testing, the DeWalt DCC020IB takes the win for its power, durability, and versatility. It's the ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable, heavy-duty inflator.